How to change your WhatsApp name on Android. This tutorial shows you how to update your display name on WhatsApp in just a few steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three dots at the top right of the screen. From there, tap on Settings. At this point, tap on your name and profile picture at the top to open your profile details. In the next step, tap on Name to open the name editing field. Let me show you. From there, clear your current name. At this stage, type in your new name in the field provided. Following this, once you're happy with your new name, tap on the tick or save to apply the change. Once done, your WhatsApp display name will now be updated and visible to all your contacts. From here, go back to your profile to confirm the new name is showing correctly. At this stage, if the name isn't updating after saving, try force stopping the app. Open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Search for WhatsApp and tap on it to open the app info page. From there, tap on Force Stop and confirm. Then reopen WhatsApp and check if your new name has been applied. Here's an important note. Changing your WhatsApp name only updates your display name. Your account and phone number remain the same, so your contacts will still be able to find and reach you without any issues. And that's it. If this guide helped you change your WhatsApp name, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.